In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Trello is a versatile tool that can simplify organizing projects and efficiently track progress. Let's dive into how you can use it to boost your project management skills. First, you'll want to visit Trello.com. If you don't already have an account, create one. It's straightforward and only takes a moment. If you're already registered, simply log in. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is where all the magic begins. Now let's create a board. Think of boards as a digital workspace dedicated to specific projects. To get started, just click on Create New Board. Give your board a project-specific name that's easy to recognize. This way, you and your team can quickly understand the purpose of the board at a glance. Next, you'll want to set up your workflow by adding lists. Lists act as stages or categories in your project. Common examples might include to do, in progress, and done, but feel free to customize these to suit your workflow better. Once your lists are in place, it's time to populate them with cards. Cards represent individual tasks or action items that need to be completed. Simply click on the list you want to add a card to and enter a task. This is your opportunity to break down the project into manageable steps. Opening a card reveals numerous options that enhance task management. Here is where you can add subtasks by using a checklist. This is incredibly useful when a task comprises multiple components, allowing you to track your progress methodically. For added organization, Trello provides a labeling system. Using labels, you can categorize tasks by priority, department, or even by task type, bringing visual clarity to your board. Now, anyone looking at the board can quickly assess the importance of each task. Attaching files or links to cards can be highly beneficial, especially for tasks that require reference materials or online resources. This keeps all relevant information in one place, reducing the need to shuffle between tabs or window applications. Keeping track of deadlines is also essential in project management. Trello lets you assign due dates to each card, providing a clear timeline and helping you meet those critical deadlines. Notifications can remind you as dates approach, keeping you on your toes. Trello also offers different views, such as calendar and timeline views. Using the Views button located in the top left, you can switch between these perspectives. This feature adapts to the needs of different projects and personal preferences, providing a more comprehensive overview. Finally, collaboration is key, and Trello makes it easy to work together. By clicking Share on the top right corner of the board, you can invite team members to collaborate. Each member can track progress, add tasks, and keep up with project developments. And there you have it, a foundational guide to using Trello for project management. Whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a complex project, Trello can be tailored to fit your needs and improve your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.